Sadjola. Sadjola naghanap ng kakampi. Pass to playing coach Provedo. Out of bounds. Kulang lang yun. Kasi remaining 11 seconds. Bautista. Wala. Playing coach. Wala pa rin. Bautista. Block again by Comia. Comia into 14. 10 seconds shoot. Sadjola. Way away. Wala pa rin. Rebound by playing coach. Playing coach. Wala. Rebound by Comia. Comia pass to Briones. Sadjola. Ginugulo ni jersey number 8. Kumikot. Ang ganda ng ikot. Pinasa kay playing coach. Titira ng tres. Wala. Di pumasok. Comia for rebound. 10 seconds shot clock. Kanoli. Patay tayo dyan. Wala na. Jersey number 16 for rebound. Pinasa kay Martin. Kinaliwa ulit. Pero wait. Wala. Di pumasok. Rebound by playing coach. So jersey number 6. Pasa kay Sadjola. Basket. Si Kanali. Yun, basket by number 16.